Hi, so the next segment of the video is going to focus on the HEAR360 plugin system. HEAR360 is the same company that makes the 8-ball quad binaural microphone, which we're teaching in the course. They're a really great professional company that are pushing this technology forward, so I'm super grateful that we have a partnership with them on this course. So first of all, you should check out the coupons that they offered for the students of this course. Really worth it. It's coupons on the 8-ball and this plugin system. Only from what you're saving on those coupons, you paid the course back. It's awesome. Other things that we need to know about HEAR360. The plugin system works only on the Mac and only for Reaper and Pro Tools. So if you are a Windows user, Facebook 360 is still your best option. The plugin system is just another way to spatialize your sound. If you're an audio engineer, I believe that you would find this method a bit more familiar, maybe more professional than the Facebook 360 workstation. The HEAR360 plugin system starts as a template, just like the Facebook 360 workstation. But it's kind of split differently. There's a few different plugins doing a few different things in order to spatialize the sound. So our videos are going to be split accordingly. We first going to have a video about the template, just an overall look of the template and where do we find things. And then we have a video on Earth and Sky, which are the plugins that are basically adding the HRTFs and spatializing the sound. We have a video about the Meridian plugin, which is a really great tool to pan sound, kind of maybe even better than the Facebook 360 workstation. It's a really great visual way to work, so check that out. A video about the campus, which is about reorienting your spatial sound. And a video about the control plugin, which is a head tracking plugin, which allows you to experience your sound spatially as you're mixing it, which I haven't seen before. Another video about automating in the template, about exporting, importing all different kinds of sounds, mastering your spatialized sound, reverb, and the HEAR360 encoder, which is a tool just like the Facebook 360 to mix your spatialized sound with the video. So I had a session with Greg, who is the CEO of HEAR360, and he's also the guy who designed the plugins and the microphone. So it was really great to sit down with such a professional and talk about the tech, really understanding it. So you will see in the videos that I'm cutting in footage from our session, which by the way is full of like really great audio engineering tips. So you should check it out.